In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload bulk phone contacts to Omnisend in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a small business owner or a marketer managing communication for a larger team, importing contacts in bulk can save you time and effort. Let's get started. First, open your preferred internet browser and type Omnisend in the search bar. Look through the search results and make sure you access the official Omnisend website. Once you're on the Omnisend homepage, you'll want to log in. Enter your credentials, and if you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up. Though we'll assume today that you're already set up. Now that you're logged into your Omnisend account, you should see your dashboard. From here, locate the Audience tab. This is where Omnisend keeps all your contact lists, and it's also the hub where you'll manage your contact data. Go ahead and click on that tab to proceed. In the Audience section, there's an Add Contacts button. Click this, and you'll be given an option to import contacts from a file. This will streamline your workload significantly, especially when dealing with large lists. Choose the Import Contacts from a File option to move to the next step. You now need to select the file that contains your contacts. Make sure this file is either a CSV or another compatible format. Most lists will be in CSV format, but Omnisend offers a convenient option to copy and paste your information if that works better for you. Choose the method that suits your data. Once your file is uploaded, it's time to assign the correct column headers. Check each column from your file and map it to the matching fields in Omnisend. For instance, the phone column in your spreadsheet should be matched with the phone field in Omnisend. This mapping process is crucial because it ensures that all your information is correctly aligned and synced in the system. Next, you'll want to decide on the status of the contacts you're importing. Typical statuses include subscribed, unsubscribed, or any custom status you might have set up. Also, consider whether you want to add a tag to this batch of contacts or create a unique segment. Organizing your contacts with tags or segments can be beneficial for future communication targeting and analysis. Finally, you'll be shown a summary of your import settings and choices. It's essential to review this thoroughly to ensure everything is set up correctly. Double-checking can help avoid any mistakes. Once you're satisfied, click on Import to finalize the process. Your contacts will be added, and you are ready to start utilizing them within your Omnisend campaigns. Congratulations! You've successfully imported your batch of phone contacts into Omnisend, making your marketing efforts smarter and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.